CK-12 FlexBooks are available to use as is, you may find that just a little bit of time customizing content helps match exactly what you're looking for in your class. To customize a FlexBook, click Choose and then Customize here, or a matching place in one of our older FlexBooks. We highly recommend that you change the name from CK-12 to initials for your school, and then use that as an indication of which books are yours versus which books you're spanning and looking at across CK-12. From here, you could choose to remove a section if you don't need it, always knowing you can pull it from a CK-12 book for the future. You have options to adjust the order of chapters or even content within a particular chapter by quickly using our up and down arrow options. If you want to go in and edit a particular lesson, click the Edit icon. From here, you'll have the chance to pick a new name if you'd prefer, or leave the name as is. And then you can go ahead and edit this text. You're welcome to update the content and lesson, add in math formatting, new images, or media. Just remember to stick within our Creative Commons licensing. From here, once you made any changes, you can save it as a draft if you're still updating, or finalize that draft so that your students and others can see your new work. From here, you can now use this particular lesson and assign it, or share the whole book with your students or anyone else.